Hello and welcome to Basics of C++. This is video number 7. So in this video we are going to look back into the code that we started off with. We probably didn't have any idea of what those lines were. But I think by now after listening to first 6 videos, we should be having a good clarity on what this means. So let's go for a revision on this. The first two lines are the inclusion of header files. So we have hashtag include IOStream. We're using that header file because we will be using functions like cout and cin. The next line is hashtag include math.h. So that is included because we are using the power function while we compute some math in the program. And then we have using namespace std int main bracket open bracket close. So this is part of the basic startup syntax. So when I say syntax, it is the language that the computer understands, and it is necessary so that it can understand what you have written. So you have to remember the basic startup syntax that was given in the previous lecture. And let's go ahead and look at the variables. We have three integers, int l comma b comma r. So they stand for length, breadth and area. Next line we have double, which means I am expecting some floating variable, double, which means I'm expecting some decimal points. So we have r underscore area and c underscore area, r underscore area for rectangle area and c underscore area for circles area. So then we go ahead and prompt the user to enter the length, breadth, and the radius. And the next line we have a cascaded cin, which accepts all the three variables. And then we are calculating r underscore area as length into breadth, because for a rectangle the area is length into breadth. So that's what we're doing. L star b, where star stands for multiplication. And in the next line we're calculating the circle's area, that is pi r square. So we're using 3.14 star, that means pi into r square is calculated using the power function POW. In brackets we have r, which means whatever the radius is, and comma 2, which means whatever it's raised to. So r raised to 2 is what that power function will return. So that will be multiplied by 3.14 to give us the circle area. And the next two lines are our output, that is the area of the rectangle is r underscore area slash n, and the area of the circle is c underscore area. That's how we're doing it. So that is our basic C++ program that we have understood. But if you've noticed, we haven't really made C++ any smart. It's just doing input, output, and then it's doing a bit of math, and it's going to show it. So now there are more stuff to learn, like let C++ make a few decisions based on certain conditions you give, and then to use loops to perform a lot of iterations of the same thing, or various calculations, stuff like that, which we will be handling in the further lectures. So as of now, thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I also want to mention that I am a student and I've started this channel to help people learn C++ all the way from the basics. But I have a passion for the teaching, but I don't know how well I am at doing this, and I really need your valuable feedback. So please let me know down in the comments as to what do you think about the videos I've released till now, and how I could probably improve them. So see you again. Thank you.